gadgets he can't live without.
Oh, yeah.
The topic came up about having 2 dishwashers in the house. Do you remember this?
Yes. People were saying that you have 2 dishwashers, one clean, one dirty, and nothing ever gets packed away. It's either in the clean dishwasher, which you take the stuff from,
Yes.
and then when it's finished with, it goes into the dirty dishwasher,
Yes.
and you move between the two.
Keep moving between the
Yeah.
two. Deirdre messaged in, double dishwasher. I have one for 20 years. Maybe it's not 2 dishwashers size, but it's absolutely brilliant, especially as the children get older and there are dishes, plates on the go constantly. It is so handy, and we take the clean dishes from one, use them, and then put the dirty ones in the other dishwasher.
This
So
is what
she
I
did
was saying. I think there's
she
a bit of
did
logic here.
send in